It's not uncommon for people to have 4, 5, even 6 credit accounts in their history, and this may be over several years. To narrow that down into accept or deny is tricky proposition. We give you an exact credit score, and not only is that based on credit alone, it's based on credit as well as their ability to pay that amount of rent based on income. It's a very comprehensive score. You just really have to do a good job of analyzing both the rental application and the credit report that you receive. But we make it really easy. We summarize everything for you right on your tenant screening results page. We ask a series of questions too. We ask 9 questions, and any question that they may answer wrong. These are things like, have you filed bankruptcy? Have you been evicted in the past? Have you ever been locked out of a property? Have you ever left owing money to a landlord? If they answer any of those questions wrong, it instantly shows up. It's kind of like the overview screen. So you get the score, you get any questions they may answer wrong.